Make a great choice today with the 2020 Defender. If you are looking for a serious, all-around utility vehicle with reliability and style, then the Land Rover Defender 90 is for you. This is the iconoclastic exploration vehicle. The full-time four-wheel drive, off-road British-made Defender 90 is one vehicle that will get you in and out of some of the trickiest spots nature has to offer. With a 90 wheelbase and coil springs, the Defender 90 has outstanding four-wheel agility and improved riding comfort too. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, power moonroof, rain sensing wipers. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
To ensure the highest quality, this Land Rover Select certified pre-owned vehicle passed a rigorous multi-point inspection. Experience unprecedented coverage with Land Rover Select Certified Limited Warranty. Land Rover Certified Select Vehicles. Our standards are up to yours.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.